If you are subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. If you are not, go ahead, hit the subscription button and the notification bell. Okay guys, so the weather here is really unpredictable and it goes from sun to rain, yeah, instantly. Anyway, we've walked up here. We're just gonna go up a little bit more. So let's go. We're trying to get some footage with the drone, and the tour guide told us this is probably a better place to go because it's less touristy. Down here, just behind this white building, is where the rock pools are that people usually swim at when they come here. And then you can go walk like we did, and then you go all the way down there, and then there, like right there, those are the other rock pools that you can swim at that we were also just at. Today they are closed because the weather is just insane. Woo. Okay, you have to see this. I mean, I'm actually too scared. Okay, so I'm holding my hat because it's so windy. But basically, I would say if you come to Madeira, like, I don't know what peak summer is like here, like in terms of the temperature. But in February, the temperature was supposed to be 18 to 19 degrees. And I mean, it's not super cold, but it's cold when it rains. And now when you have the wind that is coming in from the ocean, it starts to feel really chilly. So I would say like if you're coming in February, just be prepared. But as the Swedes say, there's no such thing as bad weather, just bad clothes. And I've come to realize that if you have like a raincoat and just like something warm, and then maybe just something so that if you get wet, so that you can change your clothes, I think you'll be fine. It's still been good enough weather for us to go around. And then when we stopped previously, like we were super cold and it was rainy, so we stopped and we had Funchal, which is this special drink that you guys would have seen, and it just warms you up really, really nicely. So yeah, anyway, on to the next place.
Okay, so starting now, if you want, you can stand up. No, let's go.